Namaskar, my friends. Today, a question that sounds simple but hides the whole magic of ChatGPT. When you ask it something, and a beautiful paragraph appears, how is it actually writing that? Does the machine sit and compose sentences, like a poet with a pen? No. The truth is far simpler, and far more clever. Chalo, let us open the lid and look inside. Here is the one big secret. An LLM does not type out sentences. It only ever does one tiny thing, it guesses the very next word. The cat sat on the mat. That is it. One little guess. Everything you have ever seen it write is built from this single trick, repeated again and again. Think of our beloved game, Antakshari. Nobody hands you the whole song. You hear the last line, and you simply sing the next bit. Then the next person, the next bit. The machine plays exactly this game with words. It never sees the whole answer in advance, only the next piece. You already use a tiny version of this every day. On your phone, you type "I am running" and it gently suggests "late, a marathon, out of chai." That little keyboard is guessing your next word. An LLM is the same idea, but grown enormous, and trained on almost the whole internet. Now one small correction, so we are honest. The machine does not even think in whole words. First it chops your text into little pieces called tokens. I love masala chai might become I love masala chai. So when I say next word, the proper name is next token. Same idea, just smaller pieces. So how does it pick the next token? Picture a giant cricket scoreboard. For your sentence, the machine gives every possible next word a raw score. Chai gets a big 9.4. Dosa, a modest 3. Cricket, a tiny 1. The higher the score, the better that word fits. And it does not score just 3 words. It scores every single word it knows, about 50,000 of them, all in one go. A massive scoreboard, lit up in an instant, with one number against each and every word in its vocabulary. But raw scores like 9 and 3 are hard to compare. So the machine runs them through a step with a fancy name, Softmax. Do not fear it. Softmax simply turns those raw scores into neat percentages. Chai becomes 82%, dosa 13, cricket 5. And the lovely part, they all add up to exactly 100%. Now you would think easy, just pick chai, the top one. But here is the twist. If it always grabbed the highest word, every answer would sound stiff and robotic, the same boring reply every time. So it does not always pick number 1. Sometimes it lets a lower word win, for a little surprise. This choosing is called sampling, and it has a beautiful dial temperature. Turn it low, and the machine plays safe, careful, predictable, almost always chai. Turn it high, and it gets bold and creative, it might suddenly say cricket. Low is a shy student, high is an excited poet. There are 2 more gentle controls, top K and top E. They simply make a short list. Out of 50,000 words, keep only the few good ones at the top, and throw away all the nonsense at the bottom. So the machine is creative, yes, but it never picks complete rubbish. Now comes the real heart of it. The machine has picked one token, chai. What next? It glues that word onto your sentence and feeds the whole thing back in to guess the word after that. This feeding back in is the famous autoregressive loop. Output becomes the new input, round and round. Watch it grow. The cat predict sat. The cat sat predict on. The cat sat on predict the. One word, then feedback, then one more word. Slowly, calmly, a whole sentence appears in front of your eyes, but the machine only ever solved one tiny guess at a time. But how much can it see while it guesses? Only what fits inside its context window, the words it can hold in view this turn. Like a small whiteboard. When it fills up, the oldest words slide off the edge and are forgotten. A bigger window means a longer memory. And so, the grand secret, in 5 plain words, fancy autocomplete, trained on the internet. No magic pen, no hidden poet. Just one small guess, made wonderfully well, and repeated. That tiny loop, my friends, is the entire trick behind every essay, every poem, every reply. So let us tie the thread together, the way your old school master always loves to do. 1. The machine never writes sentences. It only guesses the next token, one little piece at a time, exactly like a game of antakshari. 2. For that next token, it scores every word in its vocabulary, then Softmax turns those scores into clean percentages that add to 100. 3. It samples a word, with temperature and top K controlling how daring it is. Then it appends that word and loops, again and again, until the answer is complete. And that is the whole magic, my friends. A simple loop, guess, append, repeat. If this finally made it click for you, come and learn it properly with us at AI Academy. The link is right below, and the first lessons are completely free. Till next time, keep your curiosity bigger than your fear. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.